Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through best apps for transcribing voice to text. To start, we have three best apps for transcribing voice to text. First, Otter AI, best for meetings, lectures, and interviews with real-time transcription and speaker identification. Second is Temi, AI-powered transcription with quick turnaround and editing features. Speech Notes, simple and efficient, works offline, and supports continuous dictation. So now, we're going to tackle Otter AI. Download and install. Get the Otter AI app from the Google Play Store. Sign up or log in. Create an account or log in using Google or email. Start a new recording. Tap the record button to begin transcribing live speech. Grant microphone permissions. Allow the app to access your microphone for recording, then hit Let's Go, then go to the conversation section. Speak clearly. Talk naturally and clearly for accurate transcription. Pause or stop recording. Tap pause to take a break or stop to end transcription. Review the transcription. Now, once you've saved your recorded voice, tap on it in the home page. Otter AI generates a real-time transcript that you can review immediately. Edit for accuracy. Tap on the text, then tap on the pen icon in the bottom right to correct any errors or add punctuation. Save and share. Save the transcript and share via email, Google Docs, or copy-paste by tapping on the ad in the top right corner. Then hit the copy link to paste it to other platforms. Export or download. Download the transcript as text file, PDF file, or docs file by tapping the three dots in the top right. Then hit export. Tap continue for later use. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.